All right, so I don't know if that was annoying turning off the thing. I just don't want you to have to wait all the time. So then again, you've curled both sides just in like 3 plotches. It doesn't take us very long because we don't have a lot of hair. Another just really, you need something with a really fine mist. It's one reason I love this TG, the Bedhead Masterpiece. It actually, I think the brand new, I just saw a new one. I think it has a different bottle. So anyway, but you left these guys out, these little guys, and um, and your bangs because they tend to get fried really easily if they're like mine, so fine. And the older you get. So what I do is I unplug this thing, let it go. Now we're going to go in with my extra trick. This is Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. Okay, Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. It is amazing, and I owe credit to another YouTuber, and I can't remember who it was, but when I figure it out, I will put it in the comments. Anyway, unbelievable. This stuff is unbelievable, super cheap. You can get a 3-pack at Amazon for like, I don't know, 20 bucks for 3. But anyway, so now you're going to go in right to your roots and spray it from a ways back, right to your roots. Smells like vanilla, which we all know I like vanilla if you've been watching my perfume and candle things. Go ahead and put some in here too. This is miracle stuff. Put some right up at the bottom. Then, all right, so now you still have this to mess with, right? This is what I do. And you can do it any way you want. It's just my hair is so fine right there. I don't want any of it breaking off. I take this cooled down thing. It's still hot, but you can touch it. And then I just do a little pull through like you would with a flat iron. Then I twist it around my finger, and you'll see it's not going to be. I need to do it a little more around my finger to kind of let it do something. This same. So it's a little bit of heat, but not a lot. Then I twist it. You can even clip it up there. Twist it, clip it up there. All right. And then this little bit here that you left out, same thing. Just put it in there and pull it through and then twist it. The thing is, when you twist it, it gives it a nice little bend, but it doesn't look all curly whirly. You can let go of that. Okay, now for the trick, put a little more of this right in my part because I'm not going to part it here. Wherever you chose to part it is not going to be where you're going to part it. And don't forget your crown with this stuff. It's amazing. So then all you're going to do is take your fingers, go up under, and just kind of wiggle all the way around. And I'm not going all the way up to the top of my hair. I'm just going about to where the two connect. And now, through and go all the way up. Part, pull through a little on the top because you have a little bit of hairspray in there. You don't want to rip your hair at all. And then wiggle it all the way up to the top. Careful when you're coming out. Don't just rip your hand out, pull it out. You probably know that if you have fine hair. Then what I do is move my part. So I kind of like my bangs over there, but I want this a little bit. It actually is going to give you volume. Move it over. Just kind of pull it how you like it. And I will tell you, the amazing thing is, so I like my bangs kind of swept to the side. As you'll notice if you watch my lives, My hair is different all the time. Do you see this? Do you see this volume? And it's touchable. It doesn't feel like any crunch. So go back in with your really good hairspray, and this time kind of do it up in. And then just kind of floof it. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. Up in, kind of floof it. A little on the bangs, floof it. What do you think? Is that absolutely unbelievable? So anyway, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I listen to you. What do you want me to show you? And I'll tell you, oh, I have to give you the next day. So then the awesome thing is tomorrow morning or in 2 days, all you do is you take your Beach Babe and you just pull your hair apart a little bit. It'll be a little flat after sleeping. Shake it up really well, shoot it right at the roots again, and just scrub it in. And it'll be back to brand new. And it smells amazing. It smells like vanilla. So anyway, that's it. Thanks again. Please subscribe, hit like, comment. I love your comments. I want to know what you want to see. And I'll see you live at 5 on Facebook. Michelle Moore-Winder, any minute. Love you. Bye.